Selected among the 100 smart cities under the Smart City Mission of Ministry of Urban Development and Government of India, the Rajkot Smart City Greenfield Development Site is located in the western part of Rajkot, near Raya, about 9 km from the city centre. The site is bounded by roads along two sides. The second ring road is located along the western edge and Raya Road along the southern edge. A new arterial road is planned on the north edge and an existing road passes through the site connecting the southern and north edge. The site gently slopes from the northeast to southwest and has three existing lakes, one in the northwestern edge, one in southeastern edge and one in southern edge of the site. Our vision is to create a vibrant, diverse, inclusive and modern city which is not only a glowing pride of all the people of Rajkot but also a magnet for skilled migrants, industries, business, professionals from across the state. Our vision is to synthesize the best features of urban planning, sustainability, smart and efficient infrastructure, public works and active governance to create an inclusive, highly livable and world-class urban ecosystem. The total site area is 930 acres and is approximately 2 km wide and 2 km long. The proposed master plan is based on placemaking approach and built around the existing site features, and the three existing lakes will be rejuvenated and connected through natural creeks to create a water network that becomes a signature feature of the smart city. The master plan further builds upon this signature feature by creating a recreational greenway along with the water network. The resultant master plan brings together the key strategies to create a unique and iconic smart city, a city that will stand tall amongst its peers. Town planning scheme is adopted as a legal tool to ensure speedy and easy implementation of this master plan. Under the Gujarat Town Planning and Urban Development Act 1976, Town Planning Scheme 32 is planned for the entire greenfield area of Rajkot Smart City. Draft TP submission was made and approved by the Government of Gujarat under notification date 24th September 2018 of GTPUD Act 1976. The proposed TP scheme not only confers to requirements of GTPUD Act in terms of land allotments but also consider design principles of walkability, accessibility, intermodal connectivity, integrated eco-corridor, social infrastructure, affordable housing, integrated public transport, developing public urban spaces, and other infrastructure facilities along with central control and command center. Through Town Planning Scheme, RSCDL and RMC have been able to get possession of significant land areas which shall be developed for public use. This comprises of 127 acres of land which shall be developed in providing well-connected road network